What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows Chicago build 189 in VirtualBox. This particular build of Windows is going to look similar to build 122, but except it's going to look like similar to Windows 95. So let's get started. I will give you guys a virtual hard drive, and I believe I may have a hard drive already in the VHD folder on my Google Drive, but if I didn't, I'll go ahead and add it. So let's get started. So you're gonna need VirtualBox. It's gonna be in a zip file, so you can extract it in Windows. And a Google Drive link to the VHD. So click on New, and you're gonna type in Windows Chicago build 189. Apparently it's going to set to Windows 8, but no, we're not going to set it to Windows 8. We need to set it to Windows 95. Then hit next, next. Then you're going to click on use an existing virtual hard disk file, and you're going to browse for the hard drive, and then hit create. Then hit settings, system, acceleration, and you're going to turn off enable VTX AMDV. Then hit OK, and then hit start. It's going to start the build. Then you have to hit the enter so many times until you get to VNet BIOS .386. Then click OK and then hit OK, and there you go. We have successfully installed Windows Chicago build 189. If I right click on computer, hit properties, it's gonna say Windows 95 4.0.189. So that's it. That's how to install Windows Chicago build 189 in VirtualBox. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon when I upload new videos or make a live stream. Make sure you follow me on Twitter at RubenUp17 or Instagram at RubenUpTransitFan. So I'll see you next time.